Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of a photo on the InShot app. So in order to remove the background over on a photo on the InShot app, the first thing you need to do is open the InShot app just like this, and then right here you will need to choose photo and you want to click on new, and right now you can choose any photo you want basically in order to remove the background of. I'm going to use this one. Once you have a photo, you want to make sure that you have selected a photo with a clear background and a foreground. So currently we can see that this plant is a foreground and the background is everything behind it. So that means that the app basically knows what the background is. So it will 100% basically remove the background and it will not start doing random crazy shit. So make sure that you do have a clear photo where you want to remove the background of. Once you've done that, click on cut out right here. And then you can literally just click on cut out again on this check mark, and then basically the background has already been removed. You also have some other options. For example, if it skipped that part, you can also just remove that, which is extremely cool. And yeah, basically all you then need to do is just go to the top right corner of your screen, click on that share icon, and will already be shared over to your camera gallery. Then all you need to do is go and head over to your gallery, just like this. And we can literally right now see that this is the photo we just removed the background of, and it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's literally all you need to do in order to remove the background of a photo over on the InShot app. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.